What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Stimpy from Ren and Stimpy. Let's begin this lesson on the top right side of the page with an oval for the nose. Now you want to tilt the nose coming down towards the left, so start at the very top. Just going to angle this down, round out the nose, go all the way up towards the top. Now along the bottom of the nose we're going to draw two small ovals for the nostrils. Let's start with the one on the left, coming around, and back up, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to add a thick bevel along the outside on the right. Just curving this around and then down. Now let's tuck the upper lip underneath the nose. We're going to start right in the bottom, curve this around the right side, come across. I'm just going to bend that up towards the corner of the mouth. Now I'm going to tuck the right side of the mouth underneath. Starting from the side, we go out, come around, and just tuck that in. Let's add a bracket on the corner of the mouth. So we'll step in, going up, and then down. Now let's curve the bottom edge of the teeth. Starting up here, curve this down, go across, and then up, angle this up underneath the mouth. Now I want to separate each tooth. Starting from the right side, draw a straight angled line, leave a gap. Just going to angle this up, sort of aiming towards the nose, going all the way over towards the left. Let's draw the tongue coming out underneath the teeth. Starting up here, then it's out, and then down. Round up the tongue. I'm just going to taper this so it gets narrow as you come back up, and then in the center add a fold. Now I'm also going to add some wrinkles coming down from the mouth. Starting up here underneath the teeth, then it's out and then down. Just add a couple more going over towards the left. Now let's go to the left side of the nose. We're going to add a fold coming down and then up. Step down. Just going to curve this around the corner of the mouth. Come down around the mouth and then in. Now I'm going to continue working our way around that trim across the body. Starting up here, I'm just going to bend this back toward the left. Come around toward the bottom of the body. And I want to curve this across. I'm just going to tuck that up underneath the tongue. Now in this area, we're going to draw a small oval for the eye. We go all the way around towards the bottom, and pull that back up toward the top. Let's draw another one on the right side, tucked in behind the nose. We're going to go up, and then back down. Let's push the pupils towards the top on the left, drawing a small circle, and then on the inside of the right eye. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's add the brow. We're going to start on top of the cheek. We're going to go up above the eye, pull that down in between, go up and around the right eye. Let's add in the eyebrows with a small curve across the top of each eye. And then we're going to add a fold underneath the left eye. Let's add some thickness to the brow. Starting on top of the right side, we're going to go up and then down in behind. Go on top of the left brow, going up, and then adding a fold coming down. Now we're going to step back up to create an overlap, going out and then down towards the side of the head. Let's add the ear. We step in, then there's across and up, and down, and then in. Let's go back up to the top. Let's add that fold coming down. Bend this out and up toward the tip of the ear. Now I want to continue the curve of the head underneath the ear, coming down and then in towards the arm. Let's leave a small gap, continue in towards the side of the body. Let's add a fold and step back, curve it down and in. Step back again, curve the back, going out, down, and then in towards the leg. Now I want to go back up to the top and layer the arm on top of the body. So we're going to step in from the bottom, going out, around, and then in towards the side. Step up and in, follow that same curve, going all the way around the outside of the arm. Let's go back down to the bottom and layer the leg on top. So we're going to step up, then the leg going out, and back in, step in, draw that same curve coming down towards the ankle. And then we're going to continue this curve on the inside of the leg. Just going to blend this up underneath the body. Now I want to place the foot underneath the leg, so on the left side, we're going to step up, we're going to draw a large oval. We're going to go all the way around, come in, and just tuck that in on the inside. Let's take this leg and foot and flip it over in behind the body on the right. So we're going to start up here, start with the inside of the leg, step out, and then draw that again. And then we're going to layer that foot in behind. So we're going to step up on the left side, going all the way around with an oval, going up and then back in. Let's go all the way back up to the top of the head and add 3 wavy hairs. We're going to start on top of the left brow. Just going to wave this up towards the top. Step over toward the left. Add another one, just angling this out. Let's add 1 more. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Stimpy from Ren and Stimpy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want more details on the art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.